Creating a miniature dining set using cardboard is not only a fun and engaging activity but also an excellent way to develop fine motor skills and encourage imaginative play. With just a few materials and a little bit of patience, you can transform a plain and boring piece of cardboard into a charming dining set that will bring joy and delight to children and collectors alike.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like.
Attach the chair legs to the seat, forming a sturdy base for the chairs. Attach the legs to the tabletop using glue, allowing them to dry thoroughly. Before proceeding, congratulations! You have successfully crafted a miniature dining table and chairs using cardboard. Now, let your imagination soar as you invite your dolls, action figures, or toy animals to dine at this delightful set.